When the gods looked upon the world, they saw chaos. Humanity had turned from the divine path, growing reckless, corrupt, and forgetful of cosmic balance. And so Ra, the great sun god, opened his divine eye, and from its fire, Sekhmet was born. She descended upon the earth as the Eye of Ra, a force of pure destruction, sent to purge the wicked and restore divine order. Her wrath was unstoppable. Her flames burned cities to the ground, and her roar shook the heavens. But this myth is not just a story from the past. It is a reflection of cycles that repeat in our world and within ourselves. Why does destruction precede transformation? And how can Sekhmet's fierce power help us navigate the chaos of modern times? Let's step into the fire and find out. Sekhmet's legend begins with Ra, the creator and sun god, watching over the world from his celestial throne. But over time, humanity grew arrogant, forgetting the gods, dishonoring Ma'at, divine balance, and falling into corruption. In his rage, Ra did something unprecedented. He unleashed his eye, the divine force of destruction, to restore order. From this eye of Ra, Sekhmet was born, not as a gentle protector, but as a lion-headed goddess of war, fire, and righteous fury. What happened next? Sekhmet descended upon the earth like a solar storm, her breath igniting flames, her claws tearing through the wicked. Her rage wasn't personal, it was cosmic justice. She wasn't punishing out of anger, but cleansing the world to make way for renewal. The slaughter continued until Ra himself grew concerned. He tricked Sekhmet by giving her red-dyed beer, making her believe it was blood. She drank until she became intoxicated. Her fury softened, and she transformed into Hathor, the goddess of joy, love, and renewal. What does this mean? Destruction wasn't the end. It was the catalyst for healing. And this cycle, chaos, destruction, transformation, and rebirth, is something we experience in our modern world and personal lives. We might not see Sekhmet physically rampaging through cities today, but her energy is very much alive. The world undergoes cycles of destruction and renewal, just like in her myth, Sekhmet's wrath in society. When outdated systems crumble, when chaos erupts, when corruption is exposed, this is Sekhmet's fire at work. Whether through natural disasters, global revolutions, or personal awakenings, her destructive force clears the way for something new. Personal Sekhmet moments. We all experience times of crisis, loss, or forced transformation. Breakups, career shifts, deep betrayals, identity crises. These moments feel like the end of the world. But what if these moments aren't punishment? What if they are initiations? Sekhmet teaches us that destruction is not the end. It is an invitation to rebirth. Her energy forces us to let go of what no longer serves us and step into a stronger, more awakened version of ourselves. If you are facing chaos, heartbreak, or deep transformation, Sekhmet's wisdom can guide you. Here's how. 1. Accept the fire. Don't resist change. Sekhmet's destruction is necessary. It clears illusions and weak foundations. If something is collapsing in your life, trust that it is making space for something greater. 2. Burn away what no longer serves you. Ask yourself, what beliefs, relationships, or habits need to die? Perform a fire ritual. Write down what you need to release and burn it as an offering to Sekhmet. 3. Use your rage as power, not destruction. Sekhmet's energy isn't about blind rage, it's about channeling that fire into transformation. Use anger to set boundaries, stand in your truth, and create change. 4. Balance fire with healing, like Sekhmet becoming Hathor. Once the destruction is complete, don't stay in the ashes, step into renewal. Meditate, journal, or create rituals that celebrate your rebirth and healing. Now that we understand Sekhmet's power, let's channel it through a simple ritual for transformation. Sekhmet's fire. Transformation ritual. You will need a red or gold candle for Sekhmet's fire, a bowl of water for balance, a piece of paper and pen, and cinnamon or bay leaves for power and release. Steps. Light the candle and call upon Sekhmet. Sekhmet, Eye of Ra, bringer of fire. I call upon you to burn away all that is false and awaken my truth. Write down what you are releasing. Old habits, limiting beliefs, toxic attachments. Burn the paper safely, visualizing Sekhmet's flames consuming what no longer serves you. Dip your hands in the water, saying, "As fire purifies, water renews." I step forward transformed, empowered and reborn. Sit in silence and feel the shift in your energy. Sekhmet has burned away the old. You are now ready for the new. Sekhmet isn't just a myth. She is a force alive within us. Her fire is uncomfortable, but it is necessary for our evolution. Comment below. Have you ever experienced a Sekhmet moment, a time of intense transformation? Let's share our journeys. Subscribe to Sekhmet Soul for more spiritual wisdom, rituals, and empowerment. Remember, the fire isn't here to destroy you. It's here to awaken you.